Welcome to our project DocuNexus, the first AGI agent, MeldRx Predictive AI app, MeldRx API integration, and DocuNexus AI. The AGI is trained from all of the MeldRx resources and thousands of endpoints, etc. This project can have 6 EHR systems like NextGen, Athena Health, Epic, Verner, Veridim, 24/7 Smart EMR, and directly uses for API 24/7 Smart EMR by Vipa Health Solutions, and any available MeldRx external for API details, which we can change/train the AGI to use anytime. We also used usable scopes for the MeldRx AGI API. Our project have EHR launch and CDS hooks, etc. in the new demo. The first only an AGI in the world that is wholly trained with medical data and endpoints, etc. that follows HHS, HIPAA, CNS, SMB complaints, regulatory bodies, and oversight, etc. In this demo, we are going to fetch or launch Bella test from MeldRx in our DocuNexus AI-Agent interface, etc. She got the recent details and CCDA documents that we will be using and be fetching in our Nexus, etc. Since our AGI is also context aware of any data in MeldRx, it would be easier for us to use the chat, voice chat, and webcam too, etc. In here we log in or authorize OAuth 2.0 in MeldRx to fetch our data and consent scope details. Afterwards, we log in to our Nexus interface to our access the web app. Afterwards, we will fetch Bella test from MeldRx, etc. The Nexus will output her JSON, trace data, formatted patient information, and also text-to-speech enabled, and we are able to download her CCDA report, which we'll upload for AGI Nexus analysis. Our AGI will now be using the data from Bella test, making our AGI context-aware and easy to understand and diagnose our patient, which could also be used in our voice-enabled chat, video webcam app, which you could use home monitoring camera, etc. In our chat, we test if it is aware of our patient Bella test, and it output her details and current diagnosis according to CCDA report, etc. This uses deep thoughts and deep search like in Grok 3, costing us average of $20 a month, etc. Our AGI agent in our Nexus can access and diagnose any patient in our MeldRx workspace anytime and anywhere, etc. In here we ask our medical DocuNexus AGI who is Bella test our patient, etc., and it is aware who she is from our MeldRx data, giving her ID from our MeldRx workspace, etc. In here we let medical DocuNexus to access our webcam to have a live feed of our patient, which we will ask in the Ask Predictive chat on how our patient is doing, since it can access camera feed or robotics eyes, etc. It's like having a personal nurse or doctor assistant with local hardware, etc. We also have OAuth 2.0 authorization link from MeldRx, scopes from OpenID, user profile, patient system, MeldRx API, CDS, etc. We got a lot of alpha state features in our AGI agent to show the possibilities and breaking limits with our AGI. From entering manual tokens, getting a dynamic endpoint workspace's details, advanced medical file analysis from XML, CCD, CTA, DICOM, HL7, PDF, and CSV, which you analyze and parse with the AGI or upload in MeldRx. You can even make a PDF report and download it, etc. We also have text-to-speech capabilities, but servers is currently busy. This is the only AGI medical in the world which is safe to use, but this web app is alpha state, some features may not work, etc. The AGI also have deep think or thought and feature like deep search, etc. We got get FHIR patient by ID, get FHIR encounters for patient, create FHIR encounter, EHR launch client ID, EHR launch workspace slug, EHR launch patient ID, EHR launch encounter ID, EHR launch practitioner ID, create FHIR patient, create new patient, patient operations, encounter operations, dynamic EHR launch endpoints, manual or system token. Our chatbot AGI is currently being trained to use MeldRx and take workspaces and patient, etc. Currently, it got knowledge of MeldRx and trained with the thousands of FHIR endpoints, etc. Our project has also a multimodal capabilities from text input, talk to DocuNexus, show DocuNexus, webcam input, etc. In this old demo, we will show all the capabilities. In our project, we will be getting our workspace details, MeldRx API, which has access to thousands of medical API directories, FHIR endpoints like Acme Healthcare, clinical trials database of hundreds of thousands clinical trials and studies from around the world. Our 4 FHIR. We also have advanced medical file analysis with DocuNexus AGI, advanced analysis, but this is still on development, beta stage, which you can view any CCDA, CCD, XML, DICOM for X-ray analysis, HL7, PDF, and CSV for medical report and data analysis of the patients, etc. Also, we can view the interactable trace data. In here, we will get patients with MeldRx API and create patient, example, MeldRx API. You can ignore the JSON code error for DocuNexus AGI. In here we get the raw AI response for debugging. We get a very detailed information of our patients, etc. You can input patient external ID for encounters. It also gives us a link to HL7 international terminology, THO, which you can visit, etc. In here we test the generate example predictive analysis button, which is perfectly working, and also we can use the trace data, etc. The links are working and legitimate. In here you can see the interactable trace data and chat with the DocuNexus AGI-Agent MeldRx Predictive AI app anytime. And ask about predictive health analysis. This AGI will be continuously learning and be training, etc. It gives us a very functional patient example with working links. Finally, our final demo to use sample_DAWs/emerge/patient 0.xml from BCH Computational Health Informatics program. In here we just copy-paste the information in our Ask DocuNexus Predictive Health Analysis chat box, etc. We ask it to comprehensively analyze our patient 0. No AI or AGI have done this before. Rapid response, even OpenAI ChatGPT or DeepSeek AI cannot instantly generate a comprehensive and comprehensible response from our public patient 0 data. This could be helpful in emergencies. It gives us a very accurate and comprehensible response in milliseconds analysis of 2,527 lines, 2,501 lock of codes. DocuNexus AGI is constantly learning and upgrading itself until finally find a cure to uncurable diseases/genomes, or even make humans age reaching from 200 to 300, etc. Finally, our doctor has the potential and summarize information of our patient 0, which he can use to cure or give wellness recommendations for our patients. Also, disclaimer, this predictive health analysis is for conceptual informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional for diagnosis and treatment of medical conditions. Thank you for your attention. We hope you learned something from our project, etc.